In today's video, I'm going to show you how to analyze your email campaign reports inside MailerLite so you can understand exactly what's working and what needs improvement. MailerLite is one of the most user-friendly email marketing platforms out there, and its built-in reporting tools give you powerful insights without any extra setup or complicated third-party integrations. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Let's begin by pulling up your campaign reports. Head over to your MailerLite dashboard and locate the Campaigns tab in the left-hand navigation menu. It's usually one of the first options you'll see. Click on that, and then look for the Sent tab at the top of the screen. This tab holds every email you've successfully deployed, so you won't see drafts or scheduled campaigns here. Only the ones that have actually gone out to your subscribers. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if you're looking for a specific send. Once you find the campaign you want to evaluate, hover over it and you'll see a button labeled View Report. Click that, and you'll be taken straight into the detailed analytics dashboard for that particular email. This is your command center for understanding performance. Now that you're inside the report, let's break down the key metrics you need to pay attention to. The first number you'll see is the open rate, which tells you the percentage of recipients who actually opened your email. This is a great high-level health check. It reflects how effective your subject line and sender name were at grabbing attention. But don't stop there. Next, look at the click rate, often labeled as CTR or click-through rate. This shows the percentage of recipients who clicked at least one link inside your email. While open rate tells you about your subject line, click rate tells you about your call to action and overall content motivation. Even more insightful is the click-to-open rate, or CTOR. This ratio compares unique clicks to unique opens, meaning it measures how engaging your email content is among the people who actually opened it. If your open rate is high, but your CTOR is low, it's a strong signal that your subject line is working, but your content or offers aren't compelling enough to drive action. Finally, keep an eye on bounces and unsubscribes. Bounces happen when an email can't be delivered, usually because the address is invalid or the mailbox is full. A high bounce rate is a red flag that your list needs cleaning. Unsubscribes tell you if your content is missing the mark with your audience. A few unsubscribes after every send is normal, but a sudden spike means you should revisit your messaging or frequency. Now let's move beyond the numbers and use MailerLite's visual analytics to see exactly how your subscribers interact with your email. One of the most powerful tools here is the click map. When you open the click map, you'll see a visual overlay on your email design showing exactly which links got the most clicks. The links with the highest interaction will appear larger or in a different color, making it instantly clear what your audience is most interested in. This is invaluable for A/B testing different button placements or copy changes. You can literally see what draws their eyes. Next, check out the Reading Environment Report. This shows you whether your subscribers opened your email on a mobile device, a desktop computer, or in a webmail interface, like Gmail or Outlook Online. If you see a majority of opens happening on mobile, you'll want to make sure your email designs are fully responsive, with large enough text and buttons that are easy to tap. If desktop dominates, you can lean into more detailed layouts or longer copy. This data helps you tailor your design strategy to your actual audience behavior, not guesswork. To wrap things up, you've now got a complete workflow for analyzing any email campaign inside MailerLite. You know how to locate your sent campaigns, you understand what each key metric means and why it matters, and you can use visual tools like click maps and reading environment reports to get the full story behind the numbers. This kind of analysis is what separates guessing from truly knowing what resonates with your subscribers. A great next step is to use these insights to tweak your next campaign. Maybe test a different subject line if your open rate was low, or simplify your layout if your click map shows people ignoring your main link. Thanks so much for watching. If you bookmark this video or save it to a playlist, you'll have this guide ready whenever you need to dig into your next report. Happy sending, and I'll see you in the next one.